Hi guys, this is Pink and welcome back to my channel. And I have something so special for you guys. I am going to really break down how to do a room on every budget level. So I'm going to redo my living room. I'm going to refresh it, and I'm going to do phase one today in this video, and I'll continue the other budget levels in the other videos following. So this is going to be phase one video, so make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification, because you do not want to miss how I show you how to do a room literally on every budget level, phase by phase. So that's the meaning of this channel. I want everyone to know that no matter your economic status, your budget level, everyone deserves to have a beautifully designed space. So stay tuned.
Bring it back.
Hi guys, this is my formal living room, and first off, let me just say this: if you have not had the opportunity to see my living room tour, the full video, stop what you're doing. Please go click on that link. I'm going to put the link somewhere here. Stop, click, so you can get a full idea. If you have seen it, then you know that what a big deal this is for us to change this paint color.
Bye-bye. Terracotta walls. What's the name of this paint color?
Pot. Flower pot something. That was named
Terracotta pot. This is the primer going up.
So this took quite a bit of primer to cover up such a dark color. If you do not have such a opaque color on your walls, you can even skip this primer step. I'm sorry, but what I want to get across to you is everyone can start with a design change at every budget level. So this first video is dedicated to the most affordable basic budget level design step, which is paint. Get you a gallon of paint and you will see what a major difference it will make in your room. This is very late at night, y'all, and so guess who's on break? I am taking a slight break because this is just the primer that has gone up. So now we're taping, and your girl is tired, but thank goodness I've enlisted some help from my son. Shout out to Free Child Labor. And we are trying to just get this stuff done tonight, but just keep in mind just how much difference paint can make. So this is the primer going up, and we're taping it off. Um, and now we're putting on the first coat of the color. And you all, at this point, I was not sure that I made a great choice. I'm kind of regretting it. But my hubby looked at me like, lady, this is the paint we're going to go with, so. But by the morning, I was much happier with it. I couldn't wait to show you. This is me on my way out to work, and it's just the first coat, but I was so excited and happy about it. I couldn't wait to show you guys. So please excuse the mess in the middle of the room, but here on my channel, you get the real and the raw. So this is the real deal. This is how my home looks when I have multiple projects going on. But I'm loving the color now, and I can already see the difference with just the first coat. And so I wanted to kind of put the room back together. Never mind the windows and the window treatment, because actually that will be phase two on the affordable budget level decor. You can start with phase one, which is a can of paint, $20, you guys, and look at the difference in the room. I'm very pleased with it. I mean, we did it in, well, one day. We started in the evening, we started at night and then finished the next day. But if you don't even have that much time, you can just do an accent wall. We could have just painted one wall and it would have made a difference in the design of the room. So start with your $20, get you a can of paint, and then look at the difference in the room. I'm very pleased with it. All my furniture looks different against the um, color of the wall. I still have all the same furniture in my chaise lounge, um, same carpet, same lamps and tables, but it all looks fresh, it all looks new, and I can't wait to start on a new design for this room. And I didn't have to spend a lot of money. So when you see phase two with the window treatments, then you guys will kind of see where I'm going with. There's a way to design a home and make it affordable. You could just do it step by step and start where you are. You know, that's my motto. And everyone deserves to come home and love their space. And I came home today and I've fallen back in love with this space again. I love the living room. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend, hit the like button, and you guys know I love you. Take care.
Hello again. How y'all feeling? I love y'all. Your love is fresh as ever. For the turn the lights out.